What's up, Sunny? My name is Annelisa, and we have a 10-minute HIIT cycling workout lined up for you today. We've got 7 intervals, so let's go ahead and get started with our warm-up. Go ahead and reach down on your bike, and make sure you have at least 2 full turns of resistance on. And let's get started on that warm-up in 3, 2, 1. Perfect. While you're in the saddle, I want you to start to focus on that form. So go ahead and scoot those hips back. Draw those elbows in. Keep that chest open, chin up. Your core's nice and tight. And your knees are rolling forward, heels pressing back down into those pedals. And we're riding at a comfortable pace. It should feel like a light jog or a light run. Perfect. So coming right up, we are going to be taking it out of the saddle. To continue our warm-up, go ahead and reach those hands in third position and take it up into that standing jog. All right, we're nearing the start of interval number 1. We've got a 15-second seated sprint followed by a 15-second recovery. You're gonna be pushing as hard as you can on my count when we hit that seat. Coming up in 15 seconds. Go ahead and reach down, add a small tap of resistance on that bike right now. And we've got 10. Get ready to drive. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have a seat. Start to pick it up. And tighten up that form. This one's only 15 seconds. You're pedaling as fast as you can. We've got 7, 6, in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slow it down, recover. This is our shortest recovery, and we're already on to interval number 2. This one's gonna be 30 seconds on with a 30-second recovery. In 3, 2, 1, start to pick up that speed. Push for it. Perfect. You can feel that heart rate going up. Draw those elbows in. You are almost halfway there. In 12 seconds, we get to back it off. Hang on to that speed. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slow it down. Recover. We've got less than 30 seconds until we're moving on to interval number 3. This one's gonna be 45, and we're gonna keep it in the saddle. So this resistance should feel comfortable with a slight headwind, something to push towards. When you're ready, we're back on. In 3, 2, 1, let's start to pick it up. 45 seconds only. Perfect. You got 10 down. Can you build that speed? Make it progressive. Hang on to it. You're almost halfway there. Final 15. Can you add just a little bit more speed for me? We get a longer recovery. You've got 8. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, rest. Let's take this recovery out of the saddle. Walk your hands in third, take it up. At a comfortable pace. We've got interval number 4 next. This is going to be the longest push. We're gonna take this one as a hill this time. So in about 20 seconds, you're gonna reach down, add 2 full turns to the right, and we're gonna stay out of the saddle on this hill. Go ahead and reach down right now. Add 2 full turns to the right. Your leg speed's gonna slow down. And in 3, 2, 1, you're climbing for 60 seconds out of the saddle. And don't be afraid to slow down. You're building that strength. And while you're in this standing position, make sure those hands are still nice and light. Core's tight, using that body weight side to side. Perfect. You're almost halfway there. We have a 60-second recovery on the other side. Use that body weight. Hold on to it. Final stretch. This should feel heavy. This should feel hard. This should feel uncomfortable. We've got 10. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have a seat. Take it back to that flat road. All right. You've got a whole minute to recover here. You're back at that base flat road. You could sit up real quick, shake out those arms, shake out those wrists. Now we're gonna work our way down the pyramid. We've got 45, 30, and 15 for those intervals. Let's knock them out. We're gonna keep this next one in the saddle. And go ahead and reach down. Just add a baby tap on that resistance knob. In less than 20 seconds, we're back on. Perfect. Make sure those hands are on those handlebars. Draw those elbows in. And in 8 seconds, we're pushing. You got 3, 2, and 1. Start to pick it up. Perfect. So with these longer sprints, I want you to think of it as a progressive sprint. You don't need to start out all in terms of your speed, but I want you building. You got 30 seconds left here. Can you increase that speed just a little bit? Perfect. Are your abs still tight? Hang on to it. We're almost down to the final 15, starting right now. You got 10. In 5. You got 4, 3, 2, 1. Slow it down. 45-second recovery. We've only got 2 more intervals left to go. Are you with me? Hang in there. All right, up next. It's a 30-second push. If you're feeling up for it, I encourage you to take this one out of the saddle. But if you do, you might want to add just a little bit more resistance on. In 15 seconds, we take it up. Reach those arms out. Let's get ready for it. You've got 7. In 6, 5, 4, 3. Take it up. Let's start to pick it up. You got 30 seconds right here. Run it out. Getting that heart rate up. Perfect. Make sure those hips are hovered over that seat. Don't be leaning on those handlebars. Bring it back. You're halfway there. 15 more seconds. You got 10? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have a seat. 30-second recovery. Slow down as much as you need to. Final stretch. Final 15-second push. And again, I encourage you to take this one standing if you can. Either way, we're sprinting in 10 seconds, and then we're done. We get to recover. You've got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In or out of the saddle, 15 seconds. Let's wrap this up. Go for it, push for it. You got 5. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. Have a seat. Recover, bring that heart rate back down. You can take those hands off those handlebars. And as a matter of fact, take off all that resistance and let those legs roll out. And give me 3 big shoulder rolls to the back. Perfect. And then 3 to the front. Awesome. Take a moment, grab some water, towel off if you need it. And give yourself a round of applause. Congratulations, we did it. That was a 10-minute HIIT cycle workout. Hopefully you're just as sweaty as me. Once again, my name is Annelisa. I will catch you next time.